Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Farzeen Islamic Stories, the channel where history comes alive and Islamic legacy shines with truth and knowledge. Today we are going to explore an important topic from Pakistan studies: Muslim rule in the subcontinent, from the conquest of Sindh to the Mughal era. Stay with me till the end, because this journey is powerful, inspiring, and full of lessons. The beginning: Conquest of Sindh. The history of Muslim rule in the subcontinent began in 712 AD. A young and brave general, Muhammad bin Qasim, led an expedition to Sindh. He defeated Raja Dahir and established Muslim rule in the region. But this was not just a military victory. It marked the beginning of justice, administrative reforms, and religious tolerance. Non-Muslims were allowed to practice their religion freely, trade expanded, and Islamic teachings began spreading peacefully. Sindh became the gateway of Islam in South Asia. Before we continue this powerful journey, if you love learning Islamic history in a simple and powerful way, make sure to subscribe to Farzeen Islamic Stories, like this video, and share it with others so more people can learn about our glorious past. Now let's continue. Muslim rule after 300 years, the Delhi Sultanate. Nearly 3 centuries later, Muslim power rose again in northern India. In 1192 AD, Muhammad of Ghor defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the Second Battle of Tarain. After this victory, his general Qutb-ud-din Aibak established the Delhi Sultanate in 1206 AD. The Delhi Sultanate ruled for over 300 years under 5 major dynasties: Slave Dynasty, Khilji Dynasty, Tughlaq Dynasty, Sayyid Dynasty, Lodi Dynasty. During this period, administration became stronger. Cities were developed, mosques and forts were built. Trade and agriculture improved. The foundation of a powerful Muslim state was firmly established. The final era, the Mughal Empire. In 1526, a new chapter began. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and the Lodi in the First Battle of Panipat, and founded the Mughal Empire. The Mughal period became one of the most glorious eras in the history of the subcontinent. Important Mughal rulers included Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb under the Mughals. The administration became centralized and organized. Agriculture and trade flourished. Art and architecture reached their peak. The magnificent Taj Mahal, built by Shah Jahan, remains a symbol of Mughal greatness even today. The Mughal Empire ruled for more than 3 centuries and deeply influenced the culture, language, and political system of the region. From the conquest of Sindh to the powerful Mughal Empire, Muslim rule in the subcontinent lasted for centuries. It shaped history, strengthened governance, and left a legacy that still influences South Asia today. Understanding this history helps us understand our identity, our roots, and our heritage. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to Farzeen Islamic Stories, press the bell icon, and share this video with your friends and family. Comment below and tell us which Islamic historical topic you want next. Until next time, Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.